In a landmark ruling, the Singapore High Court has allowed a gay Singaporean man to adopt his 4-year-old biological son, fathered through a surrogate mother in the US. Well, the ruling overturns an earlier decision by a lower court. And in response, the Social and Family Development Ministry said it respects this decision and will study the grounds of the ruling carefully to see if any relevant policies and laws need to be reviewed or strengthened, although it did not elaborate when asked by Channel News Asia. Now, in a 145-page judgment, the High Court stated that it was a statutory imperative to promote the welfare of the child and to regard his welfare as first and paramount. Well, his adoption would increase the boy's chances for citizenship in Singapore, where his natural father and family support structures were located. And the boy's sense of security, emotional well-being, and the long-term stability of his care arrangements were some factors weighed against concerns on violating public policy against same-sex family units. In Singapore, an unwed parent may adopt their own biological children who are considered illegitimate for personal reasons or to get certain government benefits. And in this case, the US-born son was brought to Singapore for adoption in October 2014. But in December 2017, a district judge rejected his bid on grounds that since such procedures are not available in Singapore, obtaining a child overseas through such means was ethically problematic. Now, the district judge also held that the appellant was aware that his homosexual orientation prevented him from adopting children here and called his attempt at surrogacy walking through the back door of the system when the front door was firmly shut. But the High Court reversed this decision today. It made clear that the ruling was based on the particular facts of the case and should not be taken as an endorsement of what the appellant and his partner set out to do. And it also said that the decision today may make future cases less defensible on similar grounds. Now, MSF looks into an annual average of 360 adoption applications, with 1/10 from sole applicants. But it said that it's the first time it's received an application from an openly gay person who is cohabiting with his same-sex partner. Now, in other news, trains on the North East Line will be upgraded over the next 5 years in a project that will cost some $117 million. And from January, commuters can expect early closures to support other maintenance works on the 15-year-old line.